All right, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's Rainbow Runner. Welcome back to another episode of Railfanning. We're recording this on the evening of April 30th of 2025. It's almost 11 o'clock at night right now. I am here at Warner Road. I parked my truck in the Western Skies Plaza, obviously. But anyways, we're here at these are the railroad tracks. The green signal. Sorry for the blur. Green signal right there for an outbound train coming up. I think the train right now is approaching Lindsay Road. If I can zoom in without it blurring up. Okay, and it looks like the crossing gates at Lindsay Road have now activated. And there's going to be a last second car that zips through the crossing, though you're supposed to obviously stop unless you're like, I guess like if you're like right here or something and you're up to speed like when the gates activate, then going through would be fine. But you know, it's always good to be safe around the tracks, you know. And there isn't any approaching traffic for a good while in either direction on Warner Road. And actually, there's a truck turning off of Western Skies Drive that will now be waiting for this train. It's a Toyota Tacoma, an older model. I hope I was able to get them all clearly, but quite an abundance of tank cars, and all right, so that's the end of the train right there. And the signal right here is actually off already at Warner. And the train's about to finish passing Val Vista Drive. Okay, up go the gates on Val Vista Drive. They were still flashing for a second before. And I didn't... Okay, actually, real quick, also as a shout out to Railroad Train Spotter, look at the moon. It's kind of a harvest moon, but obviously in its waxing crescent phase. All right, well, that's gonna be it for this episode. Thanks for watching, guys, and Rainbow is gonna be heading out, going into May in about an hour. See ya.